Today, we're gonna teach you how to make giant, massive, colorful, small stuff. And I'm not doing this alone, so I just brought this Skibidi Man with me. Come out. So, hey! So, what's your name?
Kit Kat.
So this guy's named Kit Kat, and we're gonna teach you how to do. You know what? Let's just. So first, buy a blue backpack. If you don't own them and you own the small backpack, go just let someone buy you like a brown backpack or a blue backpack. And I'm not taking this brown backpack because it's useless. I'll take this basketball instead. Now, one person needs to grab box. No. One person needs to grab rubber duckies, and one person needs to bite sticks. So I'm gonna bite sticks.
Oh yeah, I don't have the rubber duck from those.
I don't think you can get them from Pet Tree. I think you gotta get them from Office.
Oh, let me go check if you're Pet Tree.
Dude, I have like, how many do I have, bro? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9? That's it? How is that already that I can't buy no more? Frick.
Take over bros.
Alright.
Hey, over bros. Remember me?
Demon Bird?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm making a vid right now. Buy more sticks! Yeah.
I checked in the tech tree and what are you guys trying to do? Trying to duplicate stuff. I saw that there's an ore in Austin that's called the rubber duck ore. And you can mine
Don't make sure they don't break.
I think there's something back.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, I don't even care. Let's just get started.
Can I bring my hooks out with me?
Yes, you can actually. You actually need those. Okay, don't grab too many. See that little goofy boxy thing?
What could be a boxing?
Yo, why does it look like you're going faster now?
I don't know. So what item are we gonna choose to duplicate? Whoa, I forgot to.
This is actually hard to move, actually. Hold up.
So what item are we duplicating?
Whatever item that I'm thinking.
I want to duplicate a duck. Let me do it.
Yo! Hi-ya!
No, I wanted to do it.
Let's go. So if you see a little Karen thing, look at it right now.
Where?
It's over here. We gotta look for it and kill it. Oh,
Hola, amigo.
What's up?
Don't look away,
Mingles.
Don't look away. I'm looking. Yo, a nut cherry. That's kind of crazy.
Nah, that's crazy. Shut up. We don't need the trash over here anymore. What?
I'm going.
That was dang. Okay, this is the place. We gotta go over here. Do not ever go. Do not ever go over here. Yeah, I'm kind of heavy, so I kind of fall down. So make sure to grapple up in here too, cause you might die. Anyways.
Bro, I forgot you spawned there.
I'm kind of heavy.
They took the wrong way.
With sticks. No, this is not the wrong way. We're going through the right way.
No, this is the right way. See?
Over here! Follow my scream!
Yo, can you scream again?
You just clicked the button! Help me! I'm stuck!
No, I didn't. Go back to the area where the big gimbal guy was.
Go. Go up. Alright, Dude, go! We need to go back to the that feels scary. I don't want to go over there. No, don't!
I cannot find you guys anywhere.
Open the door. Open the door. Sir, can you hear us? Can you hear us? God, help! Can you hear us? You're here? Hello?
Can you hear us? I thought you guys went back down here.
We're down here the whole time.
I thought you guys went through like the other way. Where we met Karen.
Now we gotta find that little goofy on machine thing. Oh, P. Diddy's here. P. Diddy. Okay.
I found the door.
Yeah. Yes, so this is the place that you want to go through. So, we're gonna do no, let's not do it yet. Don't do it yet, or you can't use it because we need it. So guys, I'm gonna drop all my sticks, like some sticks, so you can grab them. Make sure they don't break. Guys, shred them up. Everybody, go over here. Go to the rubber ducky side and shred these sticks up. So and I'll go over here. See. You thrown them. No.
Is it working?
All the way. We need some more.
You're gonna need to find some junk.
Okay, let's go. Let's get junk now, I guess, because it did not work.
P. Diddy man likes to come down.
Welcome to the underground. We're gonna get some junk. Oh. We never liked your family anymore. No!
It's a dream work.
Don't worry, guys, I'm coming. I want to kill that little Karen thing anyways. Myself. Why do you feel like you're faster? Dang, that was so easy. Smack! Oh, smackle! Guys, I'm coming. Ah! Sup, boys? Let's good. Let's. Sup, Karen? Sup, Karen? By the way, we need the key card, so grab that bad boy key. We also need a key card for this. So make sure to like grab one. No, this. Red stuff. If you're pretty scared, make sure to grab someone with you. That wasn't.
Why are you taking so long?
Because I was grabbing junk. Chill. Let's go grab some more. We need more junk in case the red bar goes down. Oh, we can use this.
It's what?
That jump scared me.
Come look at her.
Let's go over here.
Let's go over here.
Yeah, there's also more.
It's absolutely a lot.
Help. Tiny piece of little Karen thing.
You mean Karen? I know. Where's her noise?
She's not dying. Why was she not even dying?
Yo, anybody here? No V-Bros. No V-Bros.
What? I'm in the office. Chill out. Stop being like a goofy off person. Don't ever go over there or you might die. Man, PDD, you're not, your family never will. Yeah, PDD, your family never loved you because you keep kidnapping children. Guys, I don't think you can hear that, but dang. What's up, PDD? Find the dang, oh, find it.
I don't hear.
Also, PD can also go in here now, so be careful. Also, the red bar is not filled up yet. So, drop some stuff. I got some stuff. Oh.
Is it working?
What? Just give it some. Is that all?
No. No.
Okay, no, perfect. Perfect.
Actually?
Yeah.
No, we need more. We need more.
No. That's we can make it halfway there, and then it will still work. We're in office. Come back.
Can I only talk to RPG?
I'm stuck. Here's my glow stick. I love it. Beautiful.
What happened to me?
SpongeBob SquarePants. Guy, are you still in the Duckies selection?
You're in the Duckies?
He's over here.
Alright,
Hey, Diddy.
Got a mention? No lights can work here.
I know.
What?
I hate that.
Can you shut up off your laugh? My God.
I put the duck door.
Yeah, that's. Oh my.
I can't get through.
The guy. It looks like the guy had been in here and left. Rest in peace, Kit Kat, whatever you call them. Yeah, whoa, freak us die, bro. It's annoying. Man, I don't want to go in there.
I can hear doubles.
Sir, we need more rubber ducks. We need rubber ducks. We need more of them.
Here, maybe?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, there's one. There's some over here. No, there is some.
Oh.
We need to open the door. Grab one. Stop, BDD. Wanna break from the ads? Wanna break from the ads? Okay, let's go.
I keep it up.
Wanna break from the ads? Wanna break from the ads?
Just give me a while.
Hey, what's up? One more time, okay, go, bro. What's up? You're clicking it 2 times. Nope. Wrong one. BDD.com.
I don't think it's done.
White chugged. Fight. Go. Oh my gosh, I'm stuck. Help.
I can't believe
This is gonna be a long. This is actually being a long video, but this is a long.
Is that enough by now?
No, we need more. Cause I'm hungry.
No, let's go check.
Let's go check if there's enough first.
Before getting any more.
Oh my gosh, that jump scared me. Stop lifting your laugh, P. Diddy. It's annoying.
Really cool, baby.
I found
Sound
it.
like freaking Daisy 09 when she I don't know. No, we need more.
Now it's completely put it the whole thing in. Okay, it's full.
Perfect. That's what we need. Let's do the grappler. Let's do the grappler. Grappler it is. Oh shoot, I'm probably gonna die then.
Activate it.
We need the key card.
Where's my home?
Smack it in. Yo! Wait! Back flashlights! That's crazy! So, if you like this video, hit the
What's your channel? Yeah.
And thanks for watching, and Skibidi Phantom Texas.